Look at this moth, hiker. It's freaking huge. I'm trying to cook here, and the freaking thing flew inside and it's terrorizing me. Along with some other smaller friends. But this one is freaking big. I'm preparing some stew. Because this is one of the best survival foods ever. Easy to prepare. And this pot is brilliant. Cast iron pot. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But this freaking thing, while it sits, okay, it sits. But when it starts flying, it's a freaking menace. Oh man. So here it is, hiker. It's practically ready. Now it just has to sit so that all flavors mix together. But this is one of my favorite foods. It's easy, quick, and this pot is perfect for it, this cast iron pot. And I thought that maybe I should have like recorded all this when I was preparing this, but this is not a like big philosophy to prepare this. Everyone can do this. Just, you know, take whatever vegetables you like, whatever meat you like. I put a sausage, but it can be as well beef, but beef obviously takes very long to cook. I guess it could be also chicken. To my mind, sausage is the best. So whatever vegetable you like, onion, what else? If you like green chili, I put green chili because I like it. Garlic. So yeah, it's really easy. You just put everything. I mean, I put things gradually because some things obviously need to be cooked longer, some things shorter. I put first like potatoes because they take the longest, and I put last zucchini and all the squash because this is like they like become cooked momentarily. So yeah. So maybe it's not a good idea to like put everything all together and let it cook, even though it would be the easiest. But then you would just, unless you like a food that is more like a pulp. I don't like it. I like it to be chunky. So yeah. And a cast iron is really a must. I used to cook in like a normal pot, but cast iron is much better. Plus, you don't need to cook. You don't need to. You need to wash it with water. You just wipe it, and then it's even better when some grease remains because this cooker likes it. Now we're gonna leave it like so, and it's gonna stay till tomorrow. Here I got all the friends. That's freaking nuts, man. Obviously all of them are gonna die here because I'm closing the trailer. And maybe even tomorrow I'm gonna find corpses here. But whatever, they come to the light. It was a mistake. Probably this is the last time when I'm cooking at night. But I didn't have a choice. I didn't want things to go bad. I had to like utilize them for this stew. Alright, that's it.